All right, well, here we go. All kids are in bed. Wife's going to sleep, so hopefully I can get some work done tonight. We'll see if I make it to like 1 or 2. Get through at least one of these projects. Finish out this sidebar. We left off working with a drawer in Flutter for the app, for the home screen. And this time I'll remember to change the scene. There you go. The app's coming up just in time. So we've got this built out, and then this little draw. Get your drawers on. Get your drawers. Now in the mobile, it's supposed to be some gesture stuff. At least from what I briefly remember seeing. I don't know if I can recreate that in Windows or if that's an actual function I need to run. But for now, we'll just continue to use the hamburger icon, as I've been told it's called. I guess I should look at the project. So you can see what else. I'm sure I need to take this out. This needs to come down. So we'll change the padding there. That'd be this guy right here. So we can say only, we'll say left 20 and top 30. See what that looks like real quick. I think that's going to be enough space. Kick off some tunes. They got a lot of nice girls. Ding ding. Well, it's not there yet. Where the air is fine. Little ZZ Top. All right. Okay, that's pretty close to what they've got. This might be like 25 on the spacing, and there's no secondary word here. Now, I'm checking to see if this has any sort of. I don't see any padding. But we're gonna. I've got the list tile down here, closer to what I actually want, so I kind of understand better how to use it. The first element, I'm just going to throw this circular avatar in here. Top should be maybe like 5, maybe 10. This is probably going to want a const over here, I'm guessing, because it was all blue. And then it's like, take this off. Yeah, I don't really know what instances this is called for and not called for, but yeah, right, like this is literally the same thing, but just copied pasted, and I changed the avatar. I guess it's something to do with the fact that it's hitting a URL, but I mean, but the URL is going towards this. I don't know what. I honestly have. Let's see. Yeah, the value's different. Inset const. Yeah, it's doesn't really make a lot of sense. And the const is here and not here. Like, why? Can I even say const here? And then it's probably not like in love with that. Oh, because it's a variable. Because the input is a variable. Whereas there is no variable here. Maybe. That's the closest thing I've got to it. Okay, we can remove this list tile. Dun, 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 dun. Let's re-render. Whoa, ooh, ooh. What? And the size is like, So that's strange. It's like when it was in, when it knew that the size of the list item was small, it was pulling just the. Let's see. Let's undo that. Take a look at them both side by side. Right? So here's the other one. Everything that a man could want, I got more than I could ask for. I'm trying to see. I don't see any. Scale. Yes, she is. I'm not sure. It doesn't seem to be changing anything. URL and scale must not be null. Doesn't seem to be doing anything. And it was null previously, so confusing. She's some kind of wonderful. Yes, she is. On background image error, so there's no. Let's like, I don't know. I'm wondering if we just like squish this together. Yeah, okay, so it's something to do with the width of the image. Right, so if we limit the space that this has available, clearly we get a smaller. And I imagine as we do it, it'll become more and more. That seems very. I mean, I get it. Like this is just the leading section, which clearly has some like limits set on it. I wish I could tell what they are. So if we wanted to say 20, we'll say like 275. Let's see what that. Okay, now we've shrunk it. So let's try 250. Getting closer. Let's make it a little bigger. 225. See what we end up with. Now, I think that's interesting. Like, the left 20, it's still pushing it over farther than everything else. And what do I need to do to make it look more like this one? I feel like I need to reduce the amount. Let's see, 15. This feels like not okay. I guess I need to make it bigger. 45. What is going on here? Hey, it's closer, but it's pushed over more. Let's throw 20 on here. It's really close. And right, like this is 20, but why is it? Is that even? I don't. It feels like it's off, but I think it's just the image placement. Like this one is zoomed in a little bit more. Maybe? God, it's so hard to tell. So this feels like a bad pattern. Like what if it gets bigger? Okay, it doesn't matter. I feel like I should just use the list. That seems like a much smarter way of doing it. If I ever want to put a title, I can. There's not a lot of code changing. Yeah, let's just do that. Now we can get rid of this title. And we're going to get rid of this. So that idea kind of flew out the window. But we know how to recreate it. We know how to fix it. So this is cleaner. Now I do want a top margin, I think, so we're going to change from symmetrical only. Let's say left and top. At least like 5, maybe more. We're going to take a look at it. Let's shrink this up a bit. Let's get rid of this. Let's see. Control Shift W. No, what is that? Control Shift W. There it is. We can shrink this. People probably ask, why don't you use the terminal in VS Code? Well, sometimes I want either one to be just a little bigger than what they can be. Right? If I do this, I can, you know, I just like this kind of workspace, a little overlap. And I don't, yeah, I know I click, I don't alt tab. I got like everything open. But I guess I don't need to be flashing that every time I want to do something either on the stream. What if I've got something risque open? Yeah, you never know when you're going to be working and decide to pull something up. Let's see. Okay, we got username, we got followers. All the spacing looks pretty decent. We need like a dividing line. Flutter line cross. Let's see, maybe it's a border. You know, we could say border, right? Does this have a border? And we're going to use the on tap eventually. Color, colors. Oh, come on. No. There's no. Is 3 line? Not sure what that is. I'm not sure what dense is. Probably changes the way that the 3 values spread out. List tile style. List tile style. Maybe I can do it in there. I bet I can. I bet I can. If any place it would be that's not a specific border value. Horizontal title gap. Minimum for da 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 da. What am I looking for? What am I? I'm like misremembering something. Style. Style. Just style. Okay. Style. Let's see. What have you got in here? Now this is a specific kind of style. List tile style. List tile style. dot drawer dot list. Well, what is that? Title font that's appropriate for the list time. Expansion doesn't value it to a function. Okay, so it's not like an object. Let's just see if that kind of changes any of the text. No. Okay, so we're not going to do that. But no, please don't do that. What all do we have here? Enum characters can only be used as targets of redirect. Const with const. Is this not? Let's see. Okay, Flutter. Get back over here. Flutter list tile with border. Okay. So it's part of the shape. We can confirm that it has a shape. Oh, border. Jesus. Yeah. Okay. Great. No, that's perfect. I assume it's perfect. Border side. I could probably specify there. Okay. Well, let's look up what list tile style is, anyway. Just to know. I mean, you know, this is what you end up with. You start looking into crap. A single fixed height row that typically contains some text as well as a trailing icon. Well, I know what it is, but I need to know what is available in the style. Okay, so this is within a... Okay, so let's... Since we're doing this, exactly, we can try that and see what that looks like. Wait for the enumerated value. Sorry, I'm getting some text. Yeah, probably. I could probably do something like that, but not got so much going on. Okay, so there really isn't. It's really just list tile style. No. Okay, so let's try the drawer then, and just see what that might change, and then we'll start working on this shape. Come here, come here. Nothing? Nothing. Like, it was the exact same either way. Right? So if I do that and I just say list, like, am I going crazy? No problems with the... Yeah, well, whatever. Alright, so we can get rid of that. We do know that we want the shape. And this requires a shape border. Dot. No. Sometimes you could say dot like lower. What is tween? Creates a shape border tween. To begin, what is a tween for the null handling semantics? Begin shape border in. Yeah, okay. Ain't seen nothing yet. But baby, you just ain't seen nothing yet. All right. Wait, what? Okay, so what was that example we found? Rectangular. So I need to okay, so this is a generic that those are using. So what? Yeah. Rectangular border. Rounded. I just want rectangular border. Border. I don't think that's gonna. Shape border. Shape border. Am I just like losing my Can't be, yeah, no, it's an abstract. Okay, so what? Alright, you know, this is case for the Google. Flutter shape border. What are my options? Can I see what? Okay, there we go. So it's rounded rectangular, beveled rectangular, continuous rectangular. What do these look like? I wish they had an example. Okay. I'm gonna go with rounded rectangular. I really just need something. I don't want any rounded really. I just need it straight across. So probably this. Continuous. What is it? Freaking. Okay. Well, let's just give it a shot. Continuous rectangular border. Now I need to know that I can do one side. Side, border side. Okay, side, border side. They started a huddle. I will probably join it, but I want to make sure that everyone knows that I'm doing this. It creates a border, yeah. Let's just see what this ends up with. I feel like it's just gonna go all the way around it. Maybe it's just too bright. Let's try that. There we go. Yeah, so and it's, I'm pretty sure it's over here too. So how the hell do we style, border style, border? Was it border style? No, style. It's just style. Should have known. Border style. Directional. Border side. No, it's not what I want. Border style. This is probably not what I want either. Color, border style. No, this is on the border side. Yeah, no, what is this? Alright, people saying they don't mind. Dot solid, none. What does values look like? Oh, I think that's pulling the values out. Derp. Okay, so solid is the default, I'm guessing. Flutter, border side on one side only. Yeah, and this is going to be in a container. Box decoration, border. That's frustrating. Flutter shape with only one border. Seems I'm not the only one that's had this problem. What the hell? Where's where's the shape? It says put shapes on top of each other. Scaffold, safe area padding, border radius, somewhere in here. Container. This is putting two next to each other, but I still don't see a shape. That's with decoration. Does this have decoration? So it just feels like I'm gonna have to probably put this in a container. Just like I had to wrap the text in the padding. Can the padding have a border? No. Alright, well I'm gonna have to make some adjustments if people are gonna be chatting, so let me just finish this problem before I join them. Oh snap. Topher got new headphones. Yeah, I think this is the only way to do it. Well, what else? What else can have a border? But except for, I mean, it feels like a container's. We'll try it. We'll just try it. I just don't want to have to. If container requires width and height, I don't know what they are. Container. Child. I don't see anything required. Border, let's see, decoration. Border. Here's the border side again. Box decoration. Ah. Border. Bottom. 5. Probably a const problem. What the keep a standard printer type border side and a const constructor tracing a subtype. Maybe the keyword const. Can't be assigned a parent type border side. Okay, border side. So that's let's see, color. Let's use this light shade of gray that I was going to use earlier. say 200. No, it needs more like 5 probably. Something right in the middle. 4. Okay, so then I can get rid of this shape. Alright, let's rerun it. Yeah, that's it. I gotta get over that. Like, I really want there to be elements that handle this type of stuff for me, but I keep button heads with it, trying to get it to do stuff it's not meant to do. I just gotta wrap everything with other stuff. That's really what it feels like. I feel like that padding is a little much on the bottom, so we're gonna pull that in. 30. Let's see. No, just horizontal. Let's do okay. Only. I wish I could say horizontal here, but yeah, left, right, 20. Although I don't know if it matters. It's really just the left. So let's try bottom 10. I'm just trying to bring that. 0? What is going on here? Okay, the height of this list item is much more than I thought it would be. Let's see. I guess we're going to need to add styling to our text. Now we could probably do this in the main so it's universal, and that'd probably be preferable, but fine. Let's see. We're gonna want like a list tile style, although I don't know if that's gonna, if I have that anywhere else. I can always just do a search. It's gonna be a couple here. None. 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 Okay, so we haven't used it yet, so that's good. How am I see? So in the theme, text theme, we want list tile theme, list tile theme, data, get out of here. List tile style, we want wait, is this text? Yeah, I don't think this is right. This isn't I don't think this will set a font size. This is just the design of this element. You can change the text color, tile color. Yeah, no, this isn't it. So yeah, okay, let's just change it locally with the text, because I don't want to set it some sort of global text edit. Wow, there we are. Okay, so text style. Get out of here. Font size. Let's see. Oh, this was like 18 or 20 or something like that. Let's try 14. Const, yes, thank you. I think that seemed like it was the default. Let's try again. Okay, that definitely got bigger. don't know how to, like, can I go negative? -5? I can't. There should be something. This tile style, maybe, I guess that's what I'm back to. Wait, no, style, sorry. Style, list, tile, style. Oh, fudge. God bless. No, it's like this. I mean, maybe this will dictate the size of the... No, no margin change. No border. God. Fudge. Theme data. Yeah. How do I make this smaller? Visual density shape. I mean, you think the shape would maybe that's it. Maybe it's in the no, it was a continual box thing. Selected color, icon color, text color, content padding. Yeah, I want like negative padding. Mother monkey trumpets. Horizontal title gap. Minimum vertical padding. Okay, that's got to be it. That's got to be it. Minimal. Oh my god. Minimal. Min. Okay, wow. Okay, yep. What does this want? Double. 2? Zero 0.1, 0.2. That's like it's a huge difference. Why? Minimal vertical padding, because it's the minimum, not the maximum. I need a maximum value. Yeah. It's just throwing that on there. Is it the container? Maybe it's the container. It's got to be the container. Okay, so if it's the container that's driving that, yeah, no, that makes sense. Let's see. Is there a width or height? Height, yeah. Okay, height. This has got to be it. 20. We'll just say 20. Let's see if there's any difference there. Okay. So we'll probably need like 40. That's definitely closer. This feels like this is much... Yeah, well, wait. I didn't increase the size on the secondary one. Yeah, I should have thought about that. Although why I'm not doing this all at one, I should have thought of that too. Right? Like, why is this here instead of here? I guess because I wanted to play with the title and the other stuff. Let's see. Let's increase the font of the username too. Although, is 14 really, like, is that what it is? Do I care? I think I do. Let's see. Username. I'm the same boy I used to be. Busting out some oldies. Dun. Alright, so the username should increase in size. That looks better. That looks more like what I want. One space there. Can I make? Yeah, I should make 2 spaces. Does it not render? Does it? Let's see. Let's make a whole bunch just to see. Because sometimes, you know, like HTML, it only renders one. No, that definitely. Let's say 3. The pouring rain. But, you know, that's a game that I hate to lose. And I'm feeling the strain. Oh, ain't it a shame? Oh, give me the beat, boys, and free my soul. I wanna get lost in your rock and roll and drift away. I love this song. Sorry. I actually like this version of it a little more. Take me away. Oh, sorry. Beginning to think that I'm wasting time. I don't understand the things I do. The world outside looks so unkind. And I'm counting on you. You can carry me through. Oh, give me the beat, boys, and free my soul. I want to get lost with rock and roll and drift away. So free my soul. I want to get lost in your rock and roll and drift away. Won't you take me away? Yeah. I can't hardly hear what I sound like with these headphones on. Mind is free, you know melody can move me. When I'm feeling blue, the guitar's coming through to soothe me. Thanks for the joy that you're giving me, joy that you're giving me. I want you to know that I believe in your song, oh yeah. Rhythm and rhyme and harmony, they held me along, oh, they're making me strong. Oh, give me the beat, boys, and free my soul. I want to get lost in your rock and roll and drift away, drift away. Give me the beat, boys, and free my soul. I want to get lost in your rock and roll and drift away, drift away. You rock and roll and drift away. Won't you take me away? Yeah. It's a little early. Just a little. Drift away. Won't you take me? Oh, take me. Drift away. Won't you take me away? Yeah. Dun, dun, dun. See, this patterning I'm thinking about doing it just seems really off. Like, I know I need another border. Okay, yeah, I guess I'm not going to do that. I might basically I need another dividing line towards the bottom. And I was thinking I could put all this in a container, throw this in the list, like throw the list, basically make a separate list inside the list that's this element here. And maybe that's the correct patterning, like maybe that's how it's meant to be. But, I mean, I guess that'll let me add, if I need to add any sort of other, you know, in the future, if I wanted to remove or add. I guess removing, it's irrelevant. Um, like each of these could be in a container on its own, really. I could have put this whole thing in a container. I might try that just to see what each of these in a container looks like, and if I need to add or subtract padding, like editing this height to bring the line up. I don't like doing that exactly. Like, but I don't know how to get around it at this point in time. So it feels like I could have made a list view of children, of containers. With a child of another list view. All right, well, I'm going to run it by Topher and the guys and see what they think. And I'll turn this off. And it is getting hot. Probably going to take off this sweatshirt. I need to go crack the window. Load this up. This way it's not picking up on my desk mic from the speakers when we talk. Let's see, desktop audio. Maybe not just yet. Let's just see what's going on. Let me join the huddle. Hola. Say hello to my adoring public of nobody. It's really nobody watching, but just making videos. A button bar class. This is Topher. This is Rocco. I'm going to be doing a little expose on stuff every once in a while. What? Yeah, we were live when I started on. Oh, I was sharing what you were looking at, but no, it's all good. Let's see. Are you getting any errors? What's your custom flat button? Does it actually render a button, or? So you got to build. You're building padding. You're building a text button. That's right. Okay. Child text label. Yeah, that stuff was frustrating the other day. Is your button color white? Change the text color real quick. Like, just try black real fast. I mean, I'm curious. I don't know, but that kind of stuff happened to me before. where you're like, it's probably here somewhere, but I don't see it. Let's take a look. White on white on white. Yeah. You need some. Nice job. Mm. The text button I think has like a fill color, right? Doesn't it have like a fill color? There's on. There's a. Let's see. On hover. No, I'm not sure what that is. Wait. Oh yeah, yeah. It must be button style. Yeah, and I think button style has it. Yeah, yeah. That's what you're wanting. It's anything. Anytime you get a style, that's where you can do the colors and things most of the time. Oh no, you're in your text style there. You need a button style. So within outside of your child, like where the child, yeah, like just below the on press. Oh yeah, I forget I can draw on here. Yeah. There you go. And then you're going to add the button style, and that's what you want. I'm pretty sure that's how mine's built as well. I think it's a text button style. Maybe it's a button style. I don't remember. No, it must be button style. No. Just highlight here, and it'll tell you what it wants. And I think I messed you up. No, on this guy. It wants a button style. Wow, it's like stuck. I can't stop drawing. Yeah, and see you got a background color. I think yeah, background color is gonna be the shape, like the actual button, and then the foreground color is the text. I do remember that. And with that, I'm gonna go to okay. I have a design question for y'all. When you get a sec. It's probably easier if I share. Although I don't know what that's going to do to my upload speeds. Where did my huddle go? I am trying to join multiple times. Okay, here we go. I minimized the huddle and then I couldn't see where it ended up. Sorry. Yeah, okay. So this part, you're making this drawer, right? And you have to have this junk in here. All right, so we have to make this stuff. Here's where I'm at right now, right? To get this little line, and maybe there's another way to do it, but for me, I used a container so I could put a border on it. Where is it living? Right here. All right, so I can set this border on the bottom. Now I had to get this tighter, I had to specify a height. You see how it's spaced out more now? Like that's the default. And I could just say default's good enough, but like, you know, I don't know, I'm kind of nitpicky. But in doing this, it came to my mind that there's a border here, there's a border here, and there's 1, 2, 3 borders, right? Now this is a list view, so it's just listing out the stuff, you know, as it goes. But I could make this a list view of 1, 2, 3, maybe 4 containers, so that I could handle the borders of each separation. But then within each container, I need another list view to right? Do you think that's the better, like the appropriate way of doing it? Or should I just like I just wrapped this last one in a container to get the border? Yeah. Right. Mm-hmm. I think the thing that was holding me back is that I don't know, like just like I had to set a custom height to pull the line up on that. Like I feel like I'm gonna have to do that for each one, like each section, if I want to bring the line up. Sorry, was he cutting off for you, Toper? Okay. I didn't know if it was me, and that's why I stopped sharing for a second, because I don't know if my like bandwidth was just being chewed up or. The sidebar menu is the widget for the drawer, for that, yeah, for this part of the project. I think that multiple containers with the borders on the bottom or whatever is probably the better way to go. Mm-hmm. It's just the way it's got to be. I just figured out what I was gonna do. I'm gonna use containers, but I'm only gonna use like one or two. It just feels really strange to have like a list view with a container with a list view like that. I keep running into that in situations where I need like children, and it feels like an anti-pattern to have to just continually like repeat the circular. Mm, right, children instead of child. Yeah. Hmm. I don't know. There's children with a wrap. I'm not sure what a wrap is. I haven't messed with that yet. Yeah, I don't. I think I just did a list view of my form. The form is on the You're talking about the sign up screen, and I don't have any kind of controller, I don't think, set up for the form. I think it's, yeah, I think it's just another element. It's like a container, but it's less involved. Hmm. Is that coming out of your speakers, I guess? That video? Yeah, I can. Yeah, that's weird. Hmm. Yeah, you got to play with it. It's real subtle. I think I just kept refreshing it to make sure that it looked different. Like when I would turn it, I'd comment it out, refresh, uncomment it, refresh. Actually, there's also, yeah. Oh man, I forgot about this tool. Um, I haven't really used it very much as I should. But when you run the project, it says Flutter Dev Tools Debugger and Profiler. At least if you have it, if you're running through Windows, that's what mine shows up. And you just go to the URL, and it pulls up. It's like a React inspector. You can see the elements and like their properties and stuff. Uh, the bottom one. Oh no, that's it. Yeah, no, that's it. Yeah, yeah. Render box was not laid out. What the fuck? Yeah, yeah. In fact, I probably should. I'm gonna cancel out of this and relaunch it so I can get back to it. In this scenario, so I just did something that's breaking everything. I'm not sure why. I made the container with a I made the list view with a container as one of the children that has a child of another list view to put some text in just to test, and it like busted everything. I think there's on hover, so you can see like the colors FFFF or whatever. Well, okay, you see at the beginning it says Flutter saving file, Mullish regular. It's definitely pulling it from somewhere. I don't know if you've set it as like your default for everything, but it read, a network file and pulled it in. Where's my Flutter app? Oh, hey, I might have to leave this. My internet's crapping out. And I think my stream's about to disconnect and reconnect like 50 times. See, is it connected again? Okay, well, yeah, as soon as I stop the stream, or the, using the huddle, just turn off Slack for the moment. Things seem to have improved. Yeah, okay, here we go. That's a what? It didn't do this earlier. Gesture binder children. Okay, let's just cancel. Okay, so what about that? Excuse me. All right, so let's just yeah, no, I need this. This is how this works. What the heck is... Okay, so I can't set the key. Clearly. I feel like there's some sort of conflict. I mean, clearly there's a conflict, but it's something to do with this. How in the world? So let's see. So if we just comment out the children completely, and I say child, and then I pull this text, I'm gonna have to uncomment some stuff, but that's fine. I really gotta pee. Let's try running it again. It seems that there's some gesture issues with a list view with a list view. While that's running, I'll be right back. Hopefully I have the right mic working. Oh, you know what? I have both. That's gotta sound weird. Sorry about that. I'll be right back. Okay. Oh, well, since I got my headphones on, I won't use my earbuds. I'm just going to go ahead and turn on some music. Let's see if this just breaks the world or... Right? Okay, so that's fine. So why on God's green earth... If I put a list view inside it... Let's see. Let's just see if we can... Flutter. List view inside... List view. This is list view in Flutter. Child list view, use that parameter. Could be included within a scrollable parent. So we'll try this pattern here, and I'm gonna turn on some music since it's not being sent out, pumped out through there. Close those. I should check that. I got like 4 minutes until midnight on a rollover for a game. Whoop. That's not what I wanted. Hopefully that didn't jack up my Twitch stream. Let's try it again. Okay. Oh yeah. Checking on my video game real quick. It's pain in the butt game. Do I care? Okay, still have audio on the stream. So that's nice. All right. Just 1 second. Okay. Okay. Oh, sorry. I forget that that's like extremely loud on the mic. I'll have to remember that. Be careful with my phone. Okay. So the child with text works. The child with the list view needs the shrink wrap. True. Let's see. Did I lose that example? I think I closed it. No. There it is. Excuse me. Physics, clamping scroll physics. So let's do that. Need to instantiate the class. Probably a const. Please don't break. Okay. That seems better. And it's better. Yeah. Okay, so we need to do the shrink wrap. That's what was going on. But that's better. So I get into a container with a list view inside a list view. So I can get the borders where I want on the top and bottom. Yeah, that feels better. Okay, so I need like a profile icon. I don't think they gave me any examples to use, so profile icon. Be nice if there was just like a basic package that they had included, so I wouldn't have to worry about like just grabbing. I mean, technically I'm not like, let's see, does Flutter have built-in icons? Does Flutter have built-in icons? So with icons, yeah, let's go check out what they've got. Material icons, custom icons. Uses material design. True. Okay, so they have some. I mean, we're gonna try this out, right? So if I want this leading, we're just gonna get rid of this. We're gonna say icon. Icons dot profile. No, is that not how that works? There's an audio track, icons.audio track. Okay, let's use one of theirs. Favorite. Color. We're big on this gray. gray dot shade. We go with like a 700. Oh yeah. Okay, so that's our that's the heart. Let's see where's see also icon. Yeah, I'd like to just see what there is available with this. Yes, please just give me the icons. Oh, they are dirt. Person, I could use a person. But everyone was like, yeah, it's in there. Just scroll down. Let's see, person. What? Face. Okay, sure. Head. Like, I feel like head and let's see, head, shoulders, head. This is really, wow, I wish this was in just a list somewhere. Like, where's the list in the legend? This is kind of terrible. Like, I get it. Yeah, great. There's... How am I supposed to know what they called it? What was these first ones? There was a person in there somewhere. put someone in a doctor bed. Put them on a tractor. I could have sworn I saw him. Wow, this is so slow. Androids. That's probably account. That's definitely... Now they have the colors inverted. That's it though, I think. Let's see. Pretty sure that's the one they used, but they inverted the color. So you're just getting, yeah. No, it's not. There's a square. Oh. Account box. Okay. We finally found it, and it was just right at the top. Of course, it'd be like an account thing. Icon, account box. Now, I'm afraid that my coloring is... Yeah. Is there a background color? So what if I comment that out? What do I end up with? Just need a const somewhere. Does icon require color? No. Yeah, I prefer const. I've tried putting that on there. Is it just this one? What the fuck is all this about? Oh, const widget? Okay. Feeling better. Did that actually re-render? The same... Fuck. Let's just try white. Okay, I need the foreground. Oh, that's frustrating. Is there not an inverted icon somewhere? I feel like I'm going to run into this with all of them. Icon data. So we're going to go to the theme. We need our main. We're going to try icon theme, icon data. Foreground. No, what all is in here? Fudge. Icon theme data. Okay, icon theme data. That's better. That's what I want. Oh, color, shadows. Fuck. Let's try just making it like black. And then let's just comment this out. So the foreground color doesn't matter. Ah, okay. Color code. Is that built in or color filtered widget using the colored filter? Color filtered. Okay. So color filtered. Child. Oh, okay, this is what's... So yeah, okay. Okay, color filter. Let's talk about inverse here. So let's dot sRGB to linear gamma. I'm supposed to do an inverse from what I can tell. Shit. Icon theme to let's just get rid of this. That's why this is here. Damn, it didn't. To the RGB channels. So this is not painted. Fuck. I don't know what the shadows thing is. I mean, I assume there's like what am I supposed to put here? List shadow underneath the icon. Well, that didn't. Let's see. Offset 2. It's probably going to want like an offset variable. 2. 0. 4. Man, that's that's ugly. You can just see the yeah, no. It's like maybe I can color it white and then use the shadow as the inverse. Oh my god, you know what, that this is dumb. Oh, it's not. It's shadowing. It's not the color of the icon. It's the, yeah, because the icon's a square shape and it's still white. It's still. I just need the inverse. And maybe there's one in here, but I don't think I have all day to just. You know, it's probably this one. Count box outlined. I just have been ignoring it this whole time. Outlined. Let's get rid of this shadow. It's terrible to look at. I can't handle it. And we're gonna make it black for now, just to see what the actual. Yeah, see, so it's outlined. Yeah, it's. Manage accounts. I mean, that's closer to what I want. Right? Why isn't this... I mean, I could leave it that and be happy, because that's really what that button would be for. But it seems ridiculous that I can't find anything that would be that. There's a account supervisor. Switch account rounded. And that's it. Yeah, that's it. I'm gonna assume that's to handle the profile, but whatever. That's fine. Slate. Is there a slate color? Gray. Shade. 800. What just happened there? What is this? Because it wants a full color? Fudge. How did I do that? I feel like I did this by using a material state. Material whatever. I feel like I figured this out previously and I don't remember how I did it. Where I was able to create a color with a shade. I don't know why I clicked on this one. Clearly it's getting late. Is it this? No. I feel like I did this just a little bit ago. Material color. Dot value. $255 666666. Shouldn't that? What the hell is this? Primary, it's int is primary. So I can say int. Primary. Oh, geez. No, that's primary argument should be one of the values in the swatch. Zero found. Why is this so hard for me right now? There's no other example. As exposed by value, instructor for the same and as is exposed by value. This is I said value. Do I need to say new? It's a new color from colors gray shade 800.value. As is exposed by the value. This is exposing the value. It's an int. Like, is it just unnecessary new? That's not the only problem. This is primary. Do I need the map as well? I'm assuming I'm like must need the map. What the fuck? Typically, a material shade will be used. Wait. What the fuck? What the hell? Is it the const? Is it because I had const up here before? Oh my God, I wish this stuff would just calm its ass down. I waste so much time on that. Wait, why is it not in my is that can't, that's black. What am I missing here? Can this one not be? Is this really not working? It's like just busted ass. Blue. Oh, fuck you with your constable shit. Okay, that's blue. Gray. Shade 300. That's light. What? It's 8 just like that dark? It might as well be black. What's the base color? It's not black. So I guess when I... Oh man, I don't know. 500? I do want it a little bit darker, but I'd like for it to be distinctly gray as well. 400 looks like the baseline. Okay, that's a little brighter. It's close enough. What a day. Leading title. Text. Let's just grab some of this text from here. Because I definitely want a style on it. Oh my god. Our string is going to be profile. Size. It's going to be like 20. Font weight. To be font. What is this again? Font. Yeah, that's what that. What? Weight. Dot bold. This const garbage. Always the const garbage. Yes, thank you. Oh, okay, and that breaks it too. Okay. Man, I wish they would just like calm its ass down. Let's just see what that looks like. Yeah, that's about right. Okay, so finally getting somewhere. 2, 3, 4. We need a profile. We need lists. We need bookmark. That should be an obvious. If it's not bookmark, I'm just gonna flip a table. Bookmark. Yes, thank you. Lists. So let's just try a list. And like that's why I thought this would be profile, but of course it's not. Like right? Like there's no. Yeah. List, bookmark, what is this one? Moments, lightning bolt, lightning, electric, let's see, bolt. Give me a look. Oh, it's, yeah, that's perfect. It's everything I ever wanted. We just need on-click functionality and all that. Okay, we're gonna use 20. Okay, okay, we're gonna do this down below now. We're gonna just have some more list view tiles. We're just gonna, yep, I'm gonna grab that. Gonna go here. We need to get out of the container. Where does the container end? Right here. Get out of here. This. Now we can pull this back. Let's see, we need 2. Yeah, that's fine. We're gonna just put the last element in a container again. That's the only one with the borders. So let's just go ahead and grab this down to child. Yeah. Container, child, text. I'm just gonna put real quick log out, and then I think I just need to close this. Now we're not gonna use a bottom border, so we can get rid of that. Let's just see if this plays out. Okay, yeah, those are going to be there. We're going to change, we get rid of the leading, just use the title, fix the strings. Container here should be, yeah, another one of these guys, I think. So we can just throw that in here. Container child, here we go, tab that over. We're gonna call this, let's see, there's no leading, so you know what, maybe I do want a log out button. What is, let's see, log out, is there an icon? Yeah, log out outlined. Let's just see what that means exactly. So log out outlined. Re-render this. Now, how is that any different? We're gonna just find out. We're gonna find out. I don't think it's gonna be hardly different. It's gonna be like almost imperceptible. Yeah, okay, whatever. Log out. Let's see, get rid of the leading here. And it now wants you to be const, I'm betting. Wants this to not be const. And then this needs to say help center. Yeah, and we're gonna put on clicks on all these, which is fine. Settings, and it's not gonna do anything at the moment. And privacy, wants lowercase. And then I think we're done with that. It's gonna just boom. Oh, what? Nope, I take it back. I get rid of the leading. Oh yeah, and just this. Oh man, this const hell. Constantly in hell about this part. Just drives me nuts. Having that on here and the syntax, I just want to get rid of it all. There we go. Boom. Looks beautiful. It's beautiful. We got an icon even. Didn't need one. And you can't hardly see it, but I'm like breathing into the mic. But here's an outline here and here. It's really light. I want it to be a little bit more distinguishable. Okay. So let's add some on clicks. Whew, that's a lot of them. I would need gesture detectors, I think. But the list thing, so these need to be, I think, no, why, is there a reason to have these? I mean, you'd click here to see your followers, see who you're following. Okay, so these will, and they'll be different. So I'm gonna have to break these apart in this padding and have a child of like a, it'd be nice if I could do a horizontal directional, which is probably the wrap. It might be what the wrap is for, and have two. Okay, I'm gonna worry about that later. Let's just add the ones that we can. So the list tile has a on tap, on long press. So we're gonna do an on tap for all these. Leading, title. You can do it at the bottom. on tap. Print profile. Then we'll just make sure that it's working. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so go to the bottom of each of these lists. Oh, no, I gotta copy. God bless America. Bookmark. Moments. Yeah, we're gonna do it again so that we just, you know, basically we're gonna do these with the wait, why didn't what broke there? List tile. Oh, Jesus H. Jiminy Cricket. Oh, I'm so sick of this. You know, I don't think I need it. I can just live with these lines everywhere. Let's see if it'll compile. Yeah, suck an egg. I'm so sick of it. You know what? I just need to turn this off. Control plus. Okay, maybe I just need to learn to use the tool. Whoa, that's not it. Control minus. Control plus. Control plus. Control plus. No. Yeah, how? Control plus period. Control period. Okay, maybe that's stomachable. Control plus period. I'm just so tired of seeing that. Yeah, get out of here. Control period. Control period. Oh, it's so frustrating. Okay, container, this is the log out. Whoop. Okay, so let's fix this stuff. You know, I meant to break this up when it was about 2 hours, so I think we're pretty much finished with this. I'm going to add the gesture detectors on all 3, 4 of these top items. So just give me, I'll be right back, technically, and if you want to pick it up in the next video, that's cool. Oh, dang. Topher's in. I'm sorry I missed your chat. I'll jump in chat with you, Topher, and we'll talk about it, and then I'll start streaming again. Thanks for chilling.